In this video we're going to go over how to register for Baden-Powell University. This is the homepage of the Grand Canyon Council's website, and if you go to grandcanyonbsa.org and scroll down, you'll see this nice banner for Baden-Powell University. You can click on the register button there, or go to the calendar and click on the link there. Here I'm just going to click on this register link. It'll take me to a new page. It is scoutingevent.com/010-BPU. Now this page has a lot of information on it, but the main thing you want to look for is this little blue registration button at the top. It says register. Click on that and you'll be taken to a page that asks you how many people you want to register. Now if you are in a position where you're going to register more than just yourself, or you're in charge of registering adult leaders in your scout unit, you can register multiple people at once, but for this example we're just going to select one and go through one registration. Select one or however many people you want to register and click register. Here you're going to put in your personal information and click continue. Then here you have a few options. Now if you want to purchase a pancake breakfast, you can do that there, and then from here you're going to pick your class schedule. Now click on select classes and these little canoe rowing guys will come up, and then here is something that's slightly different, an upgrade from last year's software for this event, is that all of the classes are listed here. Now here you can select which class period you want to select, but it actually starts doing it for you, and I'll show you what I mean. Here I have the first period of classes that start at 9 a.m. and I scroll here. I'm going to find a class that I want to take, like Intro to Beadwork. I click on it and it puts it over here in my little schedule of classes. Now what you might not have noticed is right in this, and on the right side, it automatically went to period 2. So you can see these all have a period 2 and have start at 10 a.m. So you got to be mindful of that. And actually I've had to scroll back up to start at the beginning of period 2. So I'm going to go through, find a class that I might like to take, click on that, and then you can see here's my period 1, here's my period 2, and it jumped ahead again to period 3. So I make sure it's in the right spot, scroll up a bit, and if you notice, this little window scrolls independently than the whole page. So just be aware of that and go through here, select what classes you want to take. Keep in mind the CPR certification class. It's going to take up 2 class periods, and it has an additional fee of $25 if you want to do that. And then once I've selected that, it actually jumps ahead a bit again. Actually, it looked like it automatically skips me ahead to period 6 because it knows that my CPR class takes up 2 periods. So anyway, I'll scroll through here, find another class I want to take, and that's my full schedule. Now once I'm done here and I filled out all the information up at the top, I'm going to click on checkout. It doesn't look like it's a button, but it's this last little chevron arrow that says checkout. Click on that and it takes me to the final page. It tells me how much I owe. It's $20 for the original fee plus the $25 I added for that one class. Remember, the CPR class costs an additional $25. If you don't select that class, then it would just be $20. So it's itemized there. Anyway, the next thing I click is begin checkout, which is conveniently highlighted with this red arrow. Click on that, you'll be taken to a page where there's things you need to read probably, and click on that little box, click next, make sure your information is here. There, that, and click next. Now one thing you need to check is this tiny box down here. It's sometimes easy to miss. And then go through here and select put in the rest of your credit or debit card information. You have to pay online. There's no paying at the door. Once you fill that in, click book registration. You'll be getting an email that will verify all the information, and you can actually come back and make changes to your registration if you want. Through that email, there'll be a link to do that if you need to come back and change any classes. And if you have any questions, please contact us. Otherwise, we look forward to seeing you at Baden-Powell University.